Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So in this video we will be talking about another English habit that is gonna help you improve the way you speak. Obviously in the last video we spoke about how you can speak about one topic like each day a different topic every day, so that you can improve the way you speak, you can improve the vocabulary, the fluency also. And today I'm gonna give you another habit that you can try. You can try both or you can try any one of them. You can also try this equivalently, it works the same, but this is a different idea and this is also very engaging as well. So what you're gonna do in this habit is you're gonna describe the whole day. So every day we definitely do some things, right? We go to college, we go to office, or we meet a new friend, or maybe if nothing happens interestingly also, we do a lot of things during a day, right? So that is how you have to describe your day to night routine every day. For example, today I woke up at 6 o'clock. I was late to my bus. I went into the bus and my teacher scolded me because I was late to the class. And then my friend bought a cake for me because it was my birthday. And then during my birthday we had a party during the lunch, and then we went home back and I had a party in my home. And then many guests came over and we enjoyed that party. And later I had some homework to do. I did that homework and I slept. So there are a lot of things that happen during a day, and what you all need to do is you need to describe what did you do from the morning till the time when you slept. Okay, so you have to describe everything about it. So start doing this, guys. This is basically describing your day routine or your day to night routine. This will also help you describe what are the things you do during the day, because of course you brush your teeth, you make meals, or you eat food. There is a lot of things that you do, right? So that's it, guys. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the concept of this video also. So the concept is very simple. The only thing you need to follow is do it consistently, just 1 to 2 minutes. You have to narrate your whole scenario, what happened today, what did you do during lunch. Describe every scenario in detail, okay, point to point. Even if you do not get some vocabulary, but everything you have to do it in English. That is so mandatory. So English is mandatory. Do it every day. Even if you get stuck, that is completely fine. You're just talking to yourself. Just make sure you have a fixed time, fixed you definitely do not have a fixed topic for this, because you're talking about day routine. And just talk in front of the mirror that you're narrating your day routine to a number of audience. Okay, so imagine that situation, and please continue doing this practice. You will definitely see amazing results, guys. Trust me on this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the very next video. Bye bye.